Hello my beauties! Today I will be showing you guys the best skincare that I have used for sensitive skin. Anyways, Vanicream moisturizing cream. Now this is for my drying skin girlies, okay? This moisturizer is thick with not 3 or 4 C's, but with 3 Q's. It's thick, honey. But it is very moisturizing, very much dry skin's best friend. Very much remedy to dry skin. It's giving that. Like I use it when I feel like my skin is cracked out. And Panoxo 4% instead of 10% for acne. This works really good. It doesn't bleach like, let's say you put a spot gel treatment and you sleep and it bleaches your pillowcase. No, not here, hun. You just wash your face, and once you rinse this cleanser off, there's no more worries of bleaching. And you can see the ingredients here in the back. You need to wear sunscreen with this though. Even if it's only 4% and it's less damaging, you still need to wear sunscreen because this will make you slightly more sensitive, but it will remove acne. This is a really good product. The Sunbum Mineral Tinted Sunscreen works as a makeup primer and it's matte for oily skin. I have both of them here, both of the mineral sunscreens from Sunbum, and I really like them. The only complaint I have is that these sunscreens are really not for deeper tones. But if you're light to medium, this could work out for you. For me, it still leaves a slight white cast, but I like it. I don't think it has fragrance and it doesn't irritate my skin. And the Sunbum Mineral Sunscreen, this one has an even greater, bigger white cast. Shaking it up before using it. Honestly, I like using this under makeup when I know I'm gonna be in the sun all day. But I like that it's not super oily. It is moisturizing. If you need a heavy-duty sunscreen that's not chemical because you can't handle it, this one could work. The Vanicream moisturizing lotion is oily skin friendly, won't irritate and won't break you out. Trust me, I have very, very oily skin and this has never broken me out, and it's pretty much the only moisturizer that has never done that before. My oily skin girlies, please get into this moisturizer like me. I'm telling you girls, Vanicream is that girl. Gentle Facial Cleanser review next. I have bought in so many bottles of these. It is so like cute. It's like pearl. It's like pearl for your face, but it's cleanser. You wash your face. No fragrance, no irritation. I have even gotten a full face of makeup off with this cleanser with no irritation. That's how good it is, and it's gentle. I hope you just found your new favorite skincare product that isn't going to irritate your skin and that's going to treat you like the queen you are or the king you are. Thank you so much for watching.